Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Wealthfront for automated portfolio enrollment step by step clearly. To get started with Wealthfront, first, visit the Wealthfront website. Once you're on the home page, locate the Get Started button and click it. You will be directed to a registration page. Here, enter your email address to create an account. Choose a strong password to secure your account. After filling in your details, click the Sign Up button. Next, check your email for a verification message from Wealthfront. Open the email and click on the provided verification link. This will redirect you back to the Wealthfront site. Now you can log in using your email and password. Once logged in, you'll need to complete your profile. Fill out the required fields such as your full name, date of birth, and residency status. Next, you'll answer some questions about your financial goals. Wealthfront will ask about your investment experience and risk tolerance. This information helps tailor your portfolio to fit your needs. After completing this section, review the summary of your answers. Make sure everything looks accurate before proceeding. Once reviewed, click on the Continue button. You may then need to provide your bank account information. This allows for easy fund transfers to your new investment account. Enter your bank account details as prompted. Once completed, click Link Account to confirm. Next, you'll be asked to set up your initial investment amount. Choose the amount you wish to start with and enter it accordingly. After that, review your investment strategy options. Wealthfront will suggest a diversified portfolio based on your profile. Take your time to understand the recommended investment allocations. Once satisfied, click Start Investing or a similar option to proceed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.